and welcome to Edu-bubble. The first question that may arise in our mind that what is AutoCAD? Well, let me clear about AutoCAD software. AutoCAD stands for a commercial computer-aided design and drafting software application. So basically AutoCAD is used for drafting purpose. With this software, we are able to plan building layouts like engineering drawings, building architecture, interior design, electrical drawings, single line diagram and many more with verge perfection. In this video series, we will learn use of basic tools necessary for two-dimensional drawings, and later on we will practice some basic two-dimensional drawings. After that, we will introduce the electrical part of AutoCAD electrical software. So in this particular video, I am going to introduce to user interface of AutoCAD, then units, then working with command and draw panel. Then we will make some basic drawings using these tools. So without wasting time, let's get started. Well, when you first open AutoCAD Electrical 2022 for Windows, this type of interface will appear on your screen. Now, first you have to create a new file, otherwise these panels are not activated. Okay, for creating a new file, you have to go application bar or application button, then click on it. Then there is an option new. By clicking new, you can create a new file. Otherwise, another option is also available here. By clicking on drop down button, you can see different types of templates are available. So before we are going to start a new drawing, you have to choose a templates. For more templates, you have to click on browse templates. By clicking on browse templates, there are different types of templates are available for 2D drawings, for 3D drawings, for AutoCAD electrical. Now I am going to start with the 2D drawings. That is why I have chosen ACAD templates. Okay, now clicking on ACAD templates, then click on open. Then you can get a new workspace. Okay, otherwise if you want to create a new file, then you have to press Ctrl N for the new file. Well, you can see new workspace has been created. So let us see different parts of this interface. At the top left corner, you can see the application button, and there are some quick access toolbars. This area, this rectangular portion is known as ribbon area. Ribbon area consists of different tabs like home, project, schematic, panel, report, etc. And there are different panels are also available like draw panels, modify panel, annotation, layers, block, properties, groups, utilities, clipboard, etc. This part is known as workspace, where you are going to do your project or draw your object, whatever it is. Okay, so this is known as this is known as view cube, and at the bottom of the workspace you can see there is a white bar. This is known as command line, or you can say command bar, or it is also known as command panel. Okay, at the bottom of the interface, bottom most part of the interface, there are some option is known as status bar toggles. Okay, so there are different options. These are used for precise drawing. Okay, let us see the draw panel. The first tool which is available in draw panel, that is line. Okay, to activate this line command, you have to press L enter. Otherwise you have to click on it, then it will be activated. To draw a line, first of all you need two endpoints. Okay, if it is specified, then simply click on it, left click obviously, then a line will be drawn. There is another method to draw a line. Suppose you know the two end points of this line, then you have to give this two end point for drawing this line. For example, I am giving the first point, I am taking the line command L, the first point which I am specifying, that is 10 comma 10, and the second point, you can see the first point has been taken, and they are asking for the second point. To specify the second point, you have to give the value of second point, suppose 20 comma 20. So you can see a line has been created whose first point or start point of this line, that is 10 comma 10, and the end point of this line, that is 20 comma 20. Another way to draw a line, you have to specify the first point. I am specifying this first point, then taking first point as a reference, you have to give the value of second point. For taking first point as a reference, you have to give at the rate, then the value of second point, that is I want to go 10 units along with the x-axis and the 10 units along with the y-axis, then I am giving 10 comma 10, then press enter. So the value of second point is 10 comma 10 with respect to the first point. Well, using polar coordinate you are also able to make a line. Let's see how to make. Line command is activated. Now I am specifying the first point, second point. You have to give the magnitude of the line, that is say 50 units, and this line makes an angle of 60 degree from the x-axis. Then the command will be at the rate, magnitude is 50, less than sign, then give the value of angle, that is 60 degree, then enter. So a line has been generated which has a magnitude of 50 and it makes an angle of 60 degree from the x-axis. Okay. The next tool of the draw panel is Polyline. Using Polyline you can draw straight line as well as curved line. To activate this Polyline command, you have to press PL enter, and Polyline command has been activated. Now I am drawing a straight line. To make this line straight, you have to press and hold shift key, and you can see this line is straight. Okay, end point. Now I want to make a curve. Okay, so to make curve, you have to press A enter, and a curve or a arc has been created. Okay, again I want to make a straight line, that is why you have to press L enter, then straight line command has been activated, and press and hold shift key to make it straight. Then again I want to make curved line, then pressing A enter, curved line command has been activated, then I want to close. Okay, so this is how we can make a object with the help of Polyline. Now what is the difference between Polyline and line command? Using Polyline command you can make straight line as well as curved line, but using line command you are only able to make a straight line. Another difference is there. Suppose I am making a rectangle with this line command, and it is angles are not exactly 90 degree, whatever it is, and another rectangle with Polyline command. Let's see what happens. Okay, so this one is a rectangle with Polyline command, this is a rectangle with line command. In case of Polyline command, when you going to select a particular segment, it is not going to happen, because whole object will be selected. But in case of line command, individual segment can be selected. Okay, so this is the main difference between line and polyline command. Okay, using polyline command you are also able to make a thick line. Suppose I am going to make a arrow sign with this polyline command. So how can we do that? First of all, you have to activate the polyline command, that is PL enter. They are asking for the start point of this polyline, so I am specifying that point as a starting point. Then there are many more options like arc, half width, length, undo, width. So I am choosing here width, so W enter. Then they are asking for the starting width of this line, so I am giving the value of starting width, that is say 20 units. Then enter. You can see in the command line they are asking for the end point thickness. I am giving 20, enter. So you can see a thick line has been created. To make it straight, you have to press and hold shift key. So let's, this point is the end point. Now how to make the arrowhead? So another line will be start from this point. So again you have to select W, enter, width of this line, and I am specifying the width of the line, suppose 60, and end point, as we all know that the end point of the arrow is 0 or it is totally converge. So end point width will be 0. So I am entering 0, enter. Then you can see a arrowhead has been created. So make it straight, press and hold shift key. And to deactivate this command you have to press escape. Not only in case of polyline, for any command you want to deactivate it, then you have to press escape. Okay, so then you can see a arrow has been created using polyline. So when you want to make a thick line, then you have to specify the W, that is width of this line, and then you can easily make a thicker line. Understood? Well, the next tool in this draw panel, that is circle. If you want to activate this command, then you have to press C, enter. So circle command will be activated. Now as you follow the command line, you can see they are asking for the center point of the circle. Okay, so suppose I am choosing this point as a center point and radius. Suppose I am giving the value of radius, that is 50 units. So enter 50, then press enter. So a circle has been created with a 50 units radius. Understood? Okay, so to get many more option to draw a circle, just click on the drop down sign. Then you can see there are many more options like center diameter. That means you have to specify the center point, then you know the diameter of the circle, then this option will be chosen. Okay, next point, 2-point circle. So 2 point, that means 2 point is available to make a circle, and this 2 point will be the end point of the diameter of this circle. Suppose I am taking the line command to make the diameter. Suppose that is press and hold shift key. So I want to make a circle with making this line as a diameter. So you have to choose the third option, that is 2-point circle. Okay, then click on it, then click this point and this point. So a circle has been made. And another option, that is 3-point circle. For this 3-point circle, first of all we are going to take this 3-point, making a line in this point. So with this 3 end point, we are going to make a circle. So go to drop down box and choose the 3-point circle option, then just click in this 3-point. A circle will be created using this 3-point. Okay, so there are two more options to draw a circle. Second last one is 10-10 radius and last one is 10-10-10. To make you understand, first of all I have to draw 3 lines. That is why I am activating the line command, that is L enter. This is the first line, again L enter, second line, and third, this is the third line. Okay, now go to this drop down and take 10-10 radius. Well, so first you have to take tangent of this straight line, then tangent of this straight line, and you have to enter the value of radius. Okay, suppose I am giving the value of radius that is 100, enter. So you can see a circle has been made which has radius value of 100, and this circle touches these two line. Now last option is 10-10-10. To take this tangential value of this 3 line, just click on it. It will automatically take the tangential value, then click on the second line and the third line, then automatically a circle is created. Okay, so this is these are the way in which you can make circle. I think the concept about line, polyline and circle command has been cleared. Let us talk about some of the modified tools. You can see the modified panel situated just after the draw panel. The first modified tool which is going to be used is offset. To activate this offset command, you have to press O enter, otherwise just click on it, then it will be activated. So what is offset? Actually offset is used to draw parallel line. Understood? It may be straight line or a curved line. Let me show you how can we do that. First of all, I am taking a circle. A circle has been drawn. Now I want to draw another circle outward direction with a distance of 50 unit. So first of all, you need to activate offset command. So pressing O enter. So you can see offset command has been activated. You can see the command line, they are asking for the offset distance. I am giving the offset value of 50 units. Press 50, then enter. Now just click this object, okay, and take your cursor to the outward direction. Then you can see a offset line of 50 units has been made. If you want to make another offset in inward direction, then again click on this object and take your cursor to the inward direction. Then you can see another offset of circle has been made. With a line you can also make another offset line. Suppose I am taking a line, well, I just want to take another line of a distance of 100 unit just above this straight line. Okay, again go to the offset and press 100, then enter, then just click on this line and take your cursor to the upward direction, then left click. So you can see a offset line has been made. Let me show you two more modified tools which is going to be used very frequently, that is erase and trim. Erase basically used to remove the object. Well, trim is basically used to remove the extra part. For example, I am taking a line. You just want to remove the whole line. It is not needed. Then you have to take erase command, that is E enter to activate erase command, and simply click on it, then press enter. So you can see the line is deleted. Now let me show you what is the function of trim tool. Well, so a trim tool, to activate this trim tool you have to press TR enter, otherwise just click on it to activate. Now I just don't want to remove whole line, I just want to remove this extra part. So to remove this extra part, just click on it and it will be removed. Oh, well, so this is the main difference between erase and a trim tool. Using erase, total object can be deleted, but using trim, only extra part can be deleted. These three are the most important modify tool which is going to be used very frequently, that is offset, erase and trim. Well, let us make a simple 2D figure to make our concept more clear. You can see a diagram is given with its dimensions. So first of all, we need to choose the line command, and using Polyline you are also able to make this diagram. So I am taking line command, L enter, and start from the bottom left corner. I am starting from this point. Now you have to go 20 units horizontally. Make sure that your line is straight, otherwise turn on your ortho mode. Make sure that your ortho mode is on, otherwise you have to press F8 to make ortho mode on, which is placed in status bar. You can see here, this is the ortho mode. Okay, now you have to give the value of width, that is 20 unit, then press enter. And you can see you have to go 30 units vertically upward direction, so press 30, then enter, and a vertically 30 units line has been made. Next line, we are going to start from the starting point. Again you have to take line command and start from this point and vertically go 30 units, then enter. So rectangular part has been made. Now upper part of this figure is circular. So to make this circular part, you have to go in circle section and choose the 2-point circle option. Just simply click on it. You can see that the diameter of this circle will be 20 units. Okay, so that is why I have chosen this 2-point circle option. So simply just click on this point and a circle has been made. Next you can see you have to remove this extra part. To remove this extra part, you have to activate trim command, TR enter, and simply just click on it and it will be removed. You can see there is another circle with a radius of 7. To make this circle, go to the circle tool and choose the center radius. Then we need to specify the center point. So how can we identify this point? So just in this way you can see it will show automatically the center point. Well, if it is not shown, then what will you do? Just go to status bar and make sure that your object snap is on. If it is turned off, then the center point is not going to show. Okay, so first of all you have to make sure that your object snap is on. Okay, then you have to press the value of radius, that is 7 unit. So this circular part has been made. Next there is a rectangular part which has a width of 10 unit and length of 8 unit. So to get a parallel line of 10 units from this line, you have to turn on offset, or you have to take offset of 10 units. So to make a offset line, press O, enter, and offset command will be activated. Then the value of offset will be 10 units. Just click 10, then press enter, and in this way a offset line has been made. Again you have to take a offset, because you can see the length of this rectangular part is 10 unit and the total length is 20 unit. A offset of 5 unit you have to take from this line. Again I am activating the offset command, that is O, enter. Then you have to specify the offset value, that is 5, enter, and take the value of, so this offset has been made. You can see the length of this rectangle is 8 unit. Again you have to take the offset of 8 unit, so 8, enter, in this way. Next we all need to do to trim extra part, so that is why just click on trim, and in this way you can remove the extra part. So you can see the whole figure has been made. Please like and subscribe my channel. For more updates, press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.